Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, you saw me and Harry did some woodwork and crossbar challenges. I won the woodwork, he won the crossbar challenge. He's not here today, unfortunately, but I decided I am going to do the woodwork challenge, but with a normal football. Now, you would think it would be much easier, but I haven't played football since I used the exercise ball. Not a lie. I have played at school for a bit, but not with this ball. So, they always say the first try can sometimes happen. So, let's do this. So we're going for, is it that post? That post right there, I think. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick up it, but let's do this. First attempt, not good enough. Let's get our luck on the second try. You know what? I'm going to change the challenge up a bit. Instead of hitting the crossbar, I'm just going to try and hit both posts, which is harder because I am the crossbar king. So let's hit the posts and let's do this. How we do it round here. That is how we do it. I'm going to hit the other post. And if I do it quickly, then I'm going to try and hit the crossbar. And that's going to be interesting. Because, this video, I don't want to be very short. So I might, just might, give you a little something at the end of the video if I hit it sooner than 5 minutes. So now I'm going to aim for the other post. See if I can hit it. If I do, over 5 minutes, I'm going to end the video there. But, first we need to hit it. And first, I am the best. Okay, as you can see, I didn't hit that one, but I'm going to hit this one. These are so crazy what I do, so I'm just going to get over it now. Ready? I'm going to try a tactic. I tried. Okay. I really tried then to do just a toe poke, but that doesn't matter because this one's going to hit it. No! Come on, I can't. I believe in myself. No, just kidding, I don't really, but let's do this. So, okay, I nearly hit the crossbar then. That was very good. Come on. For YouTube. the start, I said this was going to be a woodwork challenge. So the woodwork challenge includes the crossbar. Now, the thing that I saw from doing that is that it hit the crossbar, bounced back down and hit the post. I am pretty sure that happened, and because that happened, this is going to be the end of the video. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like. You know, it really shows some support. And also, put in the comments, it really helps me, of what I should improve and what videos I should do next. It's probably going to be some video with Harry next. Some kind of thing from that area. But guys, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Comment on what I need to do, what I need to do to improve my channel. Comment what you want for the next video. Subscribe if you're new around here. And peace. Bye.